All right, taking a look at our team test, Chapter 4. There is no snow on Swanson's driveway when the snow begins to fall at midnight. From midnight to 9 a.m., snow accumulates on the driveway at a rate modeled by, there we go, cubic feet per hour, where T is measured in hours since midnight, which is convenient. J starts shoveling his snow at 6 a.m. The rate in cubic feet per hour at which he removes snow is modeled by this function. How many cubic feet of snow have accumulated on the driveway by 6 a.m.? Like, just awesome words for beginning calculus. Accumulated, and we've got a rate. So almost completely perfect. I saw to find accumulation, we want the integral of f of t from 0 to 6. And really that is all the work you'd be shown. Calculator active for sure. You would not integrate something like that by hand. That would be awful in Calculus 1. So all you had to show was the integral. And we always want to do 3 decimals, 1, 2, 3. And you would have gotten a point for the integral. You'd have gotten a point for the answer. Nice quick point. Find the rate of change of the volume of the snow on the driveway at 8 a.m. So what's happening at 8 a.m.? Here's 8 a.m. He's removing it at a rate of 108. And in this case, it's coming on at that rate. So all you have to do is f of 8 minus, he's removing it at, and you could call it g of 8, or, a lot of people wrote the actual numbers. So snow is, and then once you do that, I think people got I think this is something like 41, and this is 108. So your actual answer is negative 59.582 feet cubed per hour. And this was just worth 1 quick point right there, just for the answer. Let H represent the total amount of snow in cubic feet that J has removed from the driveway at a time t hours after midnight. Express H. So now we're talking about removing. So here's his rate of removal from above. Now we want to express a new function that how much he has removed. So this is his rate. We want to say how much has he removed. Almost everyone got the function. He has removed 0 from 0 to 6. Nice job. Now, how much has he removed from 6 to 7? Removed. So at 7, you'd say he's removed 125, but he has a constant rate in there. So at like 6.5, he'd be half of that. So how do we express that? We want to say that would be 125. And a lot of people wrote t, but remember, it's going to be 125 t minus 6. Why is it t minus 6? Well, because it's defined from 6 to 7. So when I put 6 in, I should get a 0 out. If you just put 125t, you're going to get a large number. So you got to remember that point slope form, which then if you would have got that right, of course, I think you'd have got the next one right. You know the rate is 108, but again, that point, t minus 7. And then you had to remember, he's already removed how much here. So that one's actually plus 125. Like, you did all of that work to do this. You just need to express it correctly. And there you go. And how many cubic feet of snow are on the driveway at 9 a.m.? Well, again, with our calculator, 0 to 9 of f of t tells me how much snow has accumulated. That's how much has come down. Minus, and most of you did this correct, it's really like 0 plus 125 plus 108 times 2. Like, You understand that part of it. You just had to do it right there. So then we should get, I think it's 367 minus 341, so it'd be 26.335 feet cubed. And sorry, going back to put points on, each one of these were worth 1 point. And then here, this was actually worth 1 point. This was worth 1 point, and this was worth 1 point. So these bottom two were worth, 3 points total. Not bad.